Hello guys, welcome to TrueNAS Info. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the General tab on TrueNAS Core. So without further ado, let's begin this tutorial. Okay, so as you can see I'm at the TrueNAS Core login page, and of course, well, I'm going to have to log in. And as you can see, I'm at the dashboard. So in order to access the General tab, we're going to need to go over to System in the top left and go to General. And here you can see our General tab. So now I can show you exactly what we can do within this tab. So first of all, we're going to have a look at the GUI, or Graphical User Interface. So the first thing we notice is the GUI SSL certificate. This is used for the website certificate. So if I were to come out full screen, you can see that this is our certificate. TrueNAS default. And obviously we can look at here. You can see it's also showing us our SSL certificate and where to update it, where we can upload our own, which is in the certificate area over here, which I will get to a lot later. We also have the web interface, IPv4 address. Now 0.0.0.0 is basically, in this case, the same IP as the actual machine itself. As you can see here, there's also information. You can also change this to the custom address, or you just change it to the same address but have it stated if you like. We can also have the same thing for IPv6. And of course we also have the ports. So of course the default port for HTTP is 80 and the HTTPS port by default is 443. But of course we can change this to whatever we want. We also have the HTTPS protocols list here. We have TLS 1.2, TLS 1.3 and older ones here as well. You can also tick the ones you want and untick the ones you don't want. You can have all of them. You can have none of them. We can also have web interface directing, so it will take us straight to HTTPS even if we do go via port 80. So that is the GUI section. The next section is the localization section. So of course we have our language, which of course is English. You can also choose from many other languages here. And we also have the date and we have the date format. So this is mainly on computers. So the 11th of December 2022, but we can also change it to other variants as well. But I'm going to keep it as it is. We also have our console keyboard map. So in the actual console, or the actual CLI, the command line interface of the actual machine, we can also change the correct keyboard map to which one we desire. So for instance, I'm going to change mine to English, but I think that is already as it is. And we can also change our time zone. I'm actually going to change mine to Europe, London. And I'm also going to change my time to 12-hour format. We can also change our language codes by name or by language code. So we can have either English or maybe GB or AF, as you can see there. And we could just sort it by its actual name. And here are our extra options, which is crash reporting. As you can see, it will obviously send logs back to your system and also to iXSystems themselves. And also usage collection, which I'm assuming, yeah, also goes to iXSystems. But with that, we can now save. And also save our configuration as well, should we want to. But as you can see, all is well. So that's it. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If you would like to request a video, please leave your comments in the comment section below. or you can check out our Discord server, Twitter and Instagram pages, which are the links in the video description. Join me next time where I'll be teaching you how to use the NTP servers page here, and we'll have a look at that very soon. But for now, I will see you in the next video.